In a digital world, it's easy to forget that we create the atmosphere. So whether we're putting that online or whether we're making prints, it doesn't matter because we have to know those nuances. We take the light and the shadow and we combine that. Digital can be so clean and so perfect that it kind of tends to leave us, if we're not careful, with images that are too sterile. And I think it's important to get back to kind of those organic concepts that we learned from darkrooms and from chemicals, and remember that that's where we came from. In the darkroom days, we had all these different chemicals that we use. So when we think of a black and white photo now, we think of kind of this true monochrome that we can get with digital prints. But when we were printing in the darkroom, wet plate collodion, like platinum, gold tones, and these different chemicals that gave different results. What we call black and white, oftentimes in its natural and purest form, had a certain tint to it. Just like we use a selenium bath with certain prints in the darkroom to take away the kind of greenish yellowish tint and push it more toward the other side. So when the first version of signature emulsion came out, it was all about capturing that rich three-dimensional beauty of a true platinum print. What makes emulsion so distinctive in the way it works is that it's dynamic. The gradient map allows all the edits below it to be combined in real time with the ultimate tinting and conversion. So if you change a curve down here, the nuances and the shading of that tinting, it's updated in real time, and you can see those hues and tints and tones moving around, and you can mix them. You can take the light that you get in camera, and then you can use that light as the engine to create more nuanced tones, more so than just using split toning and things like that. But now in version 4, emulsion not only has the platinum, the cyanotype, the wet plate, the new selenium tones, it has this amazing stackable gradient map style of editing. Show, don't tell. Let's actually go in and look at how we edit. So here's an image that's been converted to black and white. And here we have our actions panel in button mode right here in Photoshop. Now, much like Darkroom, you start with the base action. So you just click where it says run this first, and it's gonna do all the hard work for you. It's gonna build all the layers, and it's putting everything in place, neat and tidy, and it gives you the output platinum look. So you can say, okay, I'm gonna use this as is, but you have all this control and options. So you have the new master tint adjuster, which uses a gradient map, and it's actually defining colors and subtleties of this based on the tones in the image. So anything you do here, for example, if we go to the Smart Curve Adjust layer, and we can manually adjust this curve by just double clicking the layer, we can also manually adjust it by any of the Smart Curve mods. So if I click here, for example, and click the Gavs Smart Curve, it's gonna mod the tones in this curve, and nothing has to be redone. The tint mastering on the top here is building upwards. So everything I have here is now adapting, and it's putting the right colors, and I can control that by simply controlling the opacity. So if I want a very subtle platinum look, if I want a platinum look that's pushed harder, almost to more like a sepia feel, I have all that control. But then I can take it further and just expand my other options fly out. And I have things like light boosters. I have cooling, bronzing. I can add a little bit of gold dust emulsion into it. But that's just the first emulsion. The beauty of Emulsion 4 is that whether you're a Photoshop veteran or a newbie, it's easy. You can use it out of the box, you can play with the layers, or you can really drill down deep and tinker around and get nerdy. Let's say I take this image. Here I'm just starting with a plain color image, and I get this nice platinum look. But now I might say, no, I want to go to like a cyanotype, and I'm going to switch it to a cyanotype, and it just adds the correct layers. I'm going to go to a wet plate. The wet plate looks good, but actually what's happening here is we have some of the chemical hues that we introduced using the cyanotype now mixing with the wet plate. And now I can say, no, let's do the wet plate grit remix. And this is going to add some more texture and make it even more intense. All the basic options, like the other options panel, stay the same. So if I want to boost the light a little bit, I can go in here. I can turn on bronzing, cooling, gold baths. So what's happening here is this super creative, beautiful thing. It's as if we mixed those different chemicals and we had hues from the cyanotype, we had warmth from the platinum, and we had texture and grittiness from the collodion process. You don't have to do any of this in order. As long as you run your base first, which is going to build all the essential tools you need, everything else just works. The zone map, like we see in Loomis, is now integrated, so you can build the zone map and see exactly what your tones are doing, and the controls that you have in Loomis or in Darkroom to control that zone map or select tones are just going to work. If you're an existing Emulsion user, you're going to love version 4 because it completely transforms everything. If you have no interest in Darkroom tints and Platinum and doing those kind of things, and you just want a pure digital monochrome, then Emulsion 4 isn't for you. Stick with Lightroom, stick with Photoshop, stick with our tools like Darkroom. They're dedicated to doing that black and white conversion from color. But if you have a color or black and white or monochrome images and you want that toning, you want that platinum look, you want those early era darkroom chemical looks like nothing else can give you, then Emulsion 4 is what you want because there's nothing else like it. Emulsion 4 is like your shelf of chemicals in the darkroom, and you have every option you could possibly want, and it's right there, and it makes it easy for you.